We left Liberia and drove for 3 hours to the town of La Fortuna. Our first stop was Soda La Hormiga for some lunch. We barely sat down before the skies opened up and started to dump. Sodas served traditional Costa Rican food. The food we ordered was very good and affordable. After lunch, we left the restaurant and to our surprise there was a volcano. During our rush to beat the rain, we didn't notice the view going into the restaurant. We completed the last part of our trip to our Airbnb. The Airbnb was attached to the Los Lagos Hotel Spa and Resort. The rental was a 3-bedroom duplex that sat atop a hill overlooking the La Fortuna Valley with breathtaking views of the Arenal volcano. 2 bedrooms shared a bathroom and the master had his own bathroom. There was also a washer and dryer, which was nice. But the star of the show was the hot spring-fed hot tub. This is where we spent most of our time. It was pretty awesome. The next day, we went to the La Fortuna Waterfall. We got an early start. We arrived shortly after the park opened and was rewarded with little to no crowds. The walk down to the waterfall was a lot of steps. I think they said it was about 500 in total. They have little cubbies along the way where you can rest and take a break, which I was thankful for the way back up. Going down was not bad at all. The waterfall was pretty impressive. After getting a close-up look, we decided to hop in the water. The water was a bit chilly, but wasn't bad after the initial shock. There is a calmer area further down the river. This is a great place if you just want to swim and cool off. You will have to share it with some fish though. After one last look at the waterfall, we made our way back up. The cubbies were definitely useful on the way back up. As we were going back up, there were a ton of people coming down, so it was worth it to get an early start. It's an awesome experience. Thanks for watching.